The what?
The adhesive.
Mm, the what?
Putting together your picture.
Oh, oops. Yeah, I probably did. I'm, excuse me, I didn't know this.
Well, you're
I
not
think,
putting,
actually, I think it comes, we'll see.
well, you're not putting it in a box with paper and upside down, correct?
You mean like the thermal paste?
Yeah, yeah.
I think it might have some on there already.
Okay.
Did I put some last time?
A little bit, barely any.
Yeah, we'll see.
I think you just had some extra.
I don't, where would that be though?
I don't know.
I think I saw that the other day.
Maybe where I moved it.
I don't think I carried that thermal.
Bear with me.
Oh, it would be in the motherboard, wherever I had the other one.
In a box?
Yeah.
You never put a box.
Ooh, wow. This thing looks a little, I don't know. I don't know if they're normally this big, I guess they are. Looks high quality.